So hello YouTube, I'm going to unbox this box and it's the most beautiful sunglasses ever made. Now let's check it out. I'm so glad I found them at a kind of reasonable price. They weigh nothing. They're like paperweight, honestly. I just hope they're the real deal, which I think they are. Yes, here they are. The Porsche, I don't know if you can see, the Porsche Design by Carrera. These glasses are also called the Yoko Ono glasses. Now the only thing other issue is I hope they will fit me good. I hope they won't be too big or too small. But they seem to be in a really good shape. I hardly see any scratches. No, it's only the fitting. I've been wanting this for so long. I think they were made in the 80s, early 80s. And yes, finally found them at a reasonable enough price. They can be quite expensive out there. And yes, I just wanted to show you, in my opinion, the most beautiful sunglasses ever made. Here they are. These are the glasses. Looking good, and they're not the most comfy glasses, gotta say, right off the back. But they're very rock and roll. They scream 80s, right? For that alone, I love them. And for the price, to me, it was a real bargain because I've seen these babies go for way, way, way much higher prices on eBay and stuff. I think they're cool. Yep, I love them. Thanks for watching. Ciao.